Hello to all my friends out there. So I'm excited because I harvested another tomato. And one of the followers told me it's not going to get bigger. It's right. So I took it off the vine and I want to make something really special to go with it. Plus, I just want to enjoy life. I made this tea last night. If you have never tried this, I find this stuff to be really, really good. 99 cents only. Okay, so now, every time I see a dot, I'm paranoid. Okay, what I did is I want to make, yesterday I made this steak with onions and jalapeno peppers. And I go, wow, that was one of the best things I ever made. So, of course, I wanted to do it again. But it made me cough. So what I did is I took some chipotle peppers and I squeezed them through a sieve to remove the hot seeds and the skin so I could make a nice tasty sauce for my hamburger that my tomato is going on. So I want to add mayonnaise. This is going to be good. I want to make the sauce first so that it flavors up. I think I need a tiny bit more mayo. I'm just doing this. Yummy. So I should have a nice tasty chipotle sauce. And I stockpile lime, so I will give it a shot of lime. Now, let me taste this. Perfecto. That is good. I can taste that chipotle, but no seeds. And then I'll put this in the refrigerator. Okay, so now I want to make a gourmet burger to go for my chipotle sauce and my onions. So I had a 90% hamburger, but it can be any hamburger. So a few minutes ago, what I did is I found out you can use coarse sea salt like MSG, and I have some black pepper on there. Okay, so I want to add an egg, but for a little batch like this is where your egg replacer comes in. So I think it's a whole egg. Yeah, a whole egg would be 1.5 teaspoons egg replacer and 2 tablespoons of warm water. So I have half a tablespoon, and I will add, this stuff is great. It's not good for making scrambled eggs. I'll put half a teaspoon, so that I can have like a gourmet burger. Another thing is this egg replacer can come in, my oil is getting too hot. This egg replacer can come in handy for all kinds of things. All right. So I have my special chipotle sauce, and I have my refrigerator is really, really cold, so my hamburger is kind of a little bit still frozen. In the world of, if cooking, your meat is supposed to be room temperature. So don't tell anybody about that. If you guys don't tell anybody, no one is going to know. Okay, so how I made the steak is I had jalapenos. This could work good on the jalapeno thing too. And I had red peppers. And let me tell you, red onion. That was a very delicious combination. It really was. For one thing, it's kind of nice to eat a little something different, and this is not expensive. At least the way I do it is not expensive. These red onions go forever. I started following a new station. Oh, what was the name of that? Well, I'll tell you when I come back. And he's on an 8-week camping, well, it's kind of road trip would be a better way to put it. And one of the meals he made was that steak meal. And I go, ooh, that looks good. I'm going to try that. So every day could be a road trip. Like me, I was on the road in my car, and I was very hot. Okay, so now let's just make my burger into a gourmet burger. You know, most of the time, if you buy expensive hamburgers, they're very, very thick. But I like mine kind of on the thinner side, so, you know, I'm the chef here. I'm the home chef. I'm the Sally Suburbia chef. So you guys have done an awesome job on the $5 challenges. Okay, this is a good looking burger, so let's move over here. And this won't take but a few minutes. Yummy! And then I will just fry the onion on the other side, and when it is done, I will put it on top of the hamburger. If it gets done before, you know, I'm ready. So, okay, oops, this isn't a good shot of my tasty burger. Okay, I will be back.